Hey guys, it is me, Kat Graham. I am so excited that you guys are going to be with me on this never before journey. I'm going to bring you guys into how I actually do my hair, my makeup and skin routine. I'm biracial, so my mom couldn't really do my hair. She just dropped me off at the hair salon, and I've been getting my hair done by professionals almost every single week since I was like 9 years old because my mom just couldn't do it. So I've learned a lot being on quarantine. I haven't had a team of hairstylists that are trained and can deal with everything. So when I first wake up, the first thing I want to do is my eyebrows. I use Anastasia's a lot. I'll shape them with the gel that she has. I've been sweating a lot, working out in the water. So I've been using L'Oreal's Unbelievable Brow, so it stays on for 2 days. I don't know why, but even when I take off my makeup at night, I wake up and I still find more. So I love these. They're little, you can get them at like Walgreens or whatever. They're makeup removing wipes, Aveeno. My skin loves it. You see? There's still dirt. I don't understand it. I'm spritzing my Dior Eye Life Oil to Milk Cleanser on my makeup removing pad. So this is my favorite serum, Capture Youth. You can see it. It's a glow booster. I've been really just like applying it to my face. That's really my routine. And then what I do is I just like chill and then I get into my hair. So I'm gonna take out my 4 braids. I've been very careful to not use heat on my hair. I've really wanted it to grow. When I first started quarantine, I think my hair was maybe to here, and now it's to here, which is nice. But you know, this is not ever something that I would have to do. I would keep my hair in cornrows and just, you know, throw on a wig, because most of the jobs that I had done as an actress, you know, they wanted a certain kind of look. 4 months now, and I haven't straightened my hair, so you can see it's really healthy. It's been really therapeutic for me to just wear my hair really, really big. So let's get it big. Can you hear me? So much fun. I mean, an afro pick. I never thought I would even own one. The African afro texture is not something that Hollywood has ever necessarily embraced. So I hope that I one day can play a character that I actually look like. My hairstylist, Rachel Lee, who's amazing, who was actually the first person to really put me on this journey of using my own hair. I just love just having a fro. I don't know. Quarantine has completely changed me. I don't know that I would even have shown this to you guys before. I can do so much with it. I don't straighten it, but what I've been loving to do is condition my hair and keep it conditioned. So these are my favorite oils. Manuka oil. You can just get this at like the beauty salon. Argan oil stimulates hair growth. Black rice oil is the bomb. And now for my favorite concoction that I made myself, mustard seed oil and Jamaican black castor oil, extra dark. You only need a little bit over maybe spots that have given you a bit of trouble or are stubborn in terms of growth or whatever. But I do love my fro, and I'll show you guys what I'm doing to condition it. So there's really 2 products that I have been living by. This is like my 5th one of this, but originally this was a gift. Right before quarantine, I had a week of press to do. We didn't know what was happening. It was just flights were getting canceled, borders were getting closed. And why am I crying over conditioner? This is so stupid. But Rachel gave me this and she said, I want you to start to use this on your hair. And I was like, fine, you know, I get a bunch of products all the time. And it was almost like she knew I was gonna be on my own. and I've never had to be on my own with my hair. So anyways, I really love this product because this was the product that helped me figure out that my hair will work with me if I don't give up on it. So, sorry guys. So I love it. It's super simple. It's like $7.99, you can see. Literally, I take a whole scoop. I love this stuff. I've never shown it. I just put it all over my hair. And my hair just loves it so much. And it seems like a lot. Watch how quickly my hair drinks it up. So for Vampire Diaries, I'd worn a lace front for many years. So the glue and the wig clips and the pulling and the braids were hard on my hair. I think for like the All Eyes on Me movie, I had done a perm because I had a pixie cut. But then after that, I said, I'm done. I'm so done. I just want to have a master fro. So if you see what it's kind of done to my hair is the curls are much more defined and my hair just like really, really loves it. So another product that I love, Briogeo, it's amazing, Black owned, and you can see this, basically my curls will do whatever I want them to do. This is like me loosely holding on to my hair and it's just completely clean. And then when I take it out at the end of the day, it's just like so, you know, soft. So let's get into some makeup. I like makeup to last. This is what I've been wearing. It's super, super light, but you can change how heavy you want it. I've been using this Dior Skin Correct for this area here. And then I gotta love and have my Riri, my Fenty Beauty. So my color is actually caramel. See, it's proof. Oh my God, I've never done a video like this before. And I just take it around my chin, take it also to my forehead. And now we're gonna do a little Skin Correct. And you know, one thing that people just don't talk about is, you know, we are women, we have hormones and our skin changes, and sometimes we have dark spots and light spots, and it just changes. And then before I totally blend, I'm going to do my infallible. And what I love about this is because it is so light and it does stay on, that I am able to use it quite sparingly. I really don't get why my mom did not let me play with makeup when I was younger. And so what I did was I had to hire people when I first started to get publicity. But the only people I knew professionally that I trusted with my makeup were drag queens, because before Vampire Diaries, I was releasing music and the only people that would let me in to perform were drag queens and, you know, gay clubs in West Hollywood. So I learned how to contour from Sutan, aka Raja, who is an iconic performer in the drag scene. And then throughout doing more and more fashion, I stopped wearing as much makeup. So you'll notice if you even do like a timeline of my makeup over the years, it's gotten a lot lighter. So you can see it's pretty clean, but I need a bit of blush. I really don't want to lose my freckles. This is Benetint by Benefit. And you can see they're starting to come through. So if you look closely, you will see my freckles starting to come back. You can see a bit of them there. If I need something that is more closer to my color, I use the True Match from L'Oreal, and that kind of really helps define it. One thing that I really love doing is my mascara, to the point where even when I'm on set, I ask if I can do it myself because I love doing it so much. Telescopic mascara, it looks like this. I'm obsessed with a little bit of highlight here, and I love Guerlain's Terracotta. It's a bronze, and you can just do bam. I've had this forever. I have it in like 3 colors. This is just Glotion Lumi. I wear very minimalistic eye makeup these days. This is my Dior palette. It's Backstage. It's warm neutrals. It's all my colors. It's my favorite palette. I use it every day. I'm just using the dark brown right here and a thin brush, and I just create a bit of a contour. And then I use the, it's like a terracotta. You can use whatever lip gloss you want. Super easy. I mean, all my black girls already know about this, but this is Cream of Nature, olive oil, perfect edges. This one is my favorite. Just do a little here and get your baby hairs right. One thing about me while I do my baby hairs is that I am obsessed with amber, the smell. And this is my official smell. It's Serge Lutens, Santal Majuscule. I can't pronounce these things. And that's how you know it's good. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed my self-care routine and have learned a little bit more about my journey. I love you guys. Good luck.